Hello guys, welcome back with Anfas Ahamed. Today I am going to unbox a light lamp that can be used for desk setup, and this is bought by IKEA. This is the lamp called HÅRTE. I don't know how to pronounce this. This is nice and feel good. Now we will open the box. As soon as you open the box, you will get the adapter to plug the lamp. You can put the plug from the USB-A type, and there is a long cable. The end normal cardboard is there and some papers, nothing else. And this is the manual and another paper. And this is very flexible. You can turn any side that you want. And there is a switch to on off, and this is we can plug to the adapter. Now we will take off the polythene cover. Now we will connect to the wall mount and switch on the desk lamp. Let's see how powerful and how it's work. And this light lights up very brightly, and you can see that this is clear. Everything is clear in dark also. And you can turn the light any side that you want, and it's easy to on off. Please subscribe my channel. We will see you in my next video.